So I've just set up a new Facebook page, and before I connect it to Inkie, I need to make sure it's all set up right in Business Meta Suite. So here we go. I'm going to create a post because that just makes sure that everything's connected properly. And I'm just going to do a text post and say, here we are. And publish that. Okay. So now that's done. Here we go. And I'm going to click on this one. So this is the way that it's, you can either connect to Instagram, but within Meta Suite, your Facebook page, your Facebook business page and your Instagram have to be connected for auto posting. It's just the way that Meta have set it up. And so we're going to do that now. So we're going to get started. So you can either log into Instagram to connect to an existing account, or you can create a new Instagram profile, and that's what I'm doing today. There we go. To the code that has come through. And it needs to be a business account. I'm going to put product and service, but I don't want it shown on the profile. It takes up a line of your bio. So, and that's fine. Okay. Okay, and so now it's connected. Let's edit the Instagram profile. Not sure why that's not working, so I'm just going to go and do it on my phone via the app. So that's up now. I'm going to refresh this page because it should pop up. Yes, there you go. So I've added the logo through the app on my phone, just so that we can move on and I don't have to work out why that went wrong. But that's all done now. That all should be connected. So we can go back now to Inkie and try again. Let's have a look if it worked. Okay, there we go. I'll get mittens, continue there. So select the ones that you want, keep going. So this is all the permissions that it needs in order to auto post for you. We had to get an app on Meta to get this done. So it should all now be connected. Yay! And here you go. So we can slide both of those on. Time zone's already set. And we can save that now.